Welcome to a breaking news video here on Aviation Code. We have just received the information that Newark Airport is currently closed for arrivals or departures due to an aircraft that had to make an emergency landing. The aircraft was an Air Transat performing flight 942, a Boeing 737 coming from Montreal. The aircraft had a possible fire in cargo hold, so it diverted to New York. As you can see in the video, it was met by the fire department. Passengers had to evacuate on runway via emergency lights. The flight had departed from Montreal, Canada, and was headed to Fort Lauderdale in Florida. This is information from the FAA. As we get more information about this topic, we will update with a new video. Thank you for watching.